If you're in the market for a versatile and efficient cleaning tool, this Shark VM252 VACMOP Pro might just be the solution you need. Combining the functions of a vacuum and a mop into one sleek device, this product promises to make cleaning your hard floors easier and more effective. In this detailed review, we'll cover everything you need to know about the Shark VACMOP Pro, including its features, performance, and overall value. Key features. 1. Powerful suction and spray mopping. The VACMOP Pro combines powerful suction with spray mopping in one convenient pad. This dual functionality allows you to vacuum up dry debris and mop up wet messes simultaneously. The result is a comprehensive clean with minimal effort. 2. Disposable pads. The VACMOP uses disposable pads that vacuum up debris and absorb wet messes. These pads are designed to lock away dirt and grime, ensuring a clean surface every time. Plus, with the no-touch disposal system, you can remove and discard the dirty pad at the touch of a button. No need to get your hands dirty. 3. 12-ounce cleaning solution. The included 12-ounce bottle of multi-surface hard floor cleaner is specially formulated to tackle stuck-on grime and leave your floors shiny and clean. Simply spray the solution onto the floor and let the VACMOP do the rest. 4. LED headlights. One of the standout features of the VACMOP Pro is its LED headlights. These powerful lights illuminate hidden debris, making it easier to spot and clean dirt that you might otherwise miss. This is particularly useful for cleaning under furniture and in dark corners. 5. Cordless Convenience. The VACMOP Pro is cordless and powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. This provides you with the freedom to clean without being tethered to a power outlet. The magnetic charger makes it easy to recharge the battery when needed. Right out of the box, the VACMOP impresses with its sleek design and lightweight construction. Weighing in at under 5 pounds, it's easy to handle and maneuver around your home. The charcoal gray color gives it a modern, stylish look that blends well with any home decor. In terms of performance, the Shark VACMOP Pro does not disappoint. The powerful suction is capable of pulling in dirt and debris effectively, while the spray mopping function ensures that even sticky, stubborn messes are dealt with efficiently. The combination of vacuuming and mopping in one device saves time and effort, making it ideal for busy households. During our testing, we found that the VACMOP handled a variety of messes with ease. From crumbs and pet hair to spilled drinks and sticky residues, the device performed admirably. The disposable pads absorbed liquid quickly and locked away debris, leaving the floor clean and dry. The LED headlights were particularly useful in revealing hidden dirt and making sure that no spot was left uncleaned. The cordless design added to the convenience, allowing us to move freely from room to room without having to switch power outlets. One of the major advantages of the Shark VACMOP Pro is its ease of use. The lightweight design makes it easy to carry and maneuver, even in tight spaces. The magnetic charger is straightforward to use, and the no-touch disposal system for the pads is a thoughtful touch that enhances the overall user experience. The cleaning solution is simple to apply, and the spray function ensures that the right amount is dispensed onto the floor. The disposable pads are easy to attach and remove, and their ability to lock away dirt and debris means you don't have to worry about spreading messes around. Maintenance for the Shark VACMOP Pro is minimal, which is another major plus. There are no filters to clean or replace, just attach a new disposable pad and you're good to go. The self-cleaning nature of the pads means that each cleaning session starts fresh, and the cordless design eliminates the need for tangled cords or tricky storage solutions. Final verdict. The Shark VM252 VACMOP Pro cordless hard floor vacuum mop is a highly effective and convenient cleaning tool that combines powerful suction with efficient spray mopping. Its lightweight design, cordless convenience, and LED headlights make it a standout choice for anyone looking to simplify their floor cleaning routine. The disposable pads and no-touch disposal system make maintenance easy, and the included cleaning solution ensures your floors are spotless and shiny. Whether you're dealing with dry debris or wet messes, the VACMOP Pro is up to the task. Overall, the Shark VACMOP Pro offers excellent performance and ease of use, making it a valuable addition to any home cleaning arsenal. If you're in the market for a versatile and efficient vacuum mop, the VACMOP Pro is worth considering. In conclusion, the Shark VM252 VACMOP Pro provides a comprehensive cleaning solution that is both powerful and convenient. Its combination of features and user-friendly design make it an excellent choice for maintaining clean and shiny hard floors with minimal effort. If you found this review helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more detailed reviews and product insights. Share your experiences with the Shark VM252 VACMOP Pro cordless hard floor vacuum mop in the comments below, and let us know if you have any questions or additional insights. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Happy cleaning!